Hello scholars, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Today we are moving further in chapter number 9, Agriculture and Industries. In the previous video, you have already studied that agriculture has been the main occupation of the people in our country. There are two main growing seasons, Rabi and Kharif. Rice is the main food crop of India. Wheat is the next important food crop of India. India is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. India has made good progress in the fruit production. Now let us learn about industries. Modern life has become very convenient and comfortable for men, thanks to the different things man has invented over the years. Food can be preserved for very long periods of time in refrigerators and freezers. Air conditioners and heaters keep us comfortable in summers and winters respectively. We can connect to our friends and family across the globe in a few seconds. How this all is possible? Industrial development has enabled the large-scale production of various machines and appliances that have made life more comfortable. Industry. What is an industry? Man uses natural resources as a raw material to manufacture or produce different kinds of modern gadgets and appliances. Raw material goes through various processes and is converted into a finished product. This is called an industry, and the actual place where the manufacturing or production process take place is called a factory. Let us learn about the important factors which are helpful for setting up an industry. Raw materials. Raw materials are natural resources in crude or raw form needed to manufacture a product. Like wood is an important raw material of the paper industry and is used to manufacture paper. Paper is the raw material for manufacturing paper products like diaries, books and notepads, etc. Capital. Capital is the money needed to start a factory. Energy. Energy is electricity or other forms of power needed to run machinery in a factory. Transport. Transport facilities include vehicles such as trucks, trailers, etc. used for the transportation of goods. Manpower. Manpower includes people who work in factories or offices. Market. Market is the place where manufactured products are sold. Now let us learn about the different types of industries. Industries are divided into three kinds depending upon the manpower employed and the money invested. In India, the three types of industries are cottage industries, small scale industries and large scale industries. Let us understand about these industries briefly. Cottage industries. These industries need very little money and manpower as mostly they have a domestic setup. These can be run by a family from their home with simple tools and produce goods like handloom cloth, shoes, shawls, blankets and toys, etc. Small scale industries. Small scale industries need more money and manpower than the cottage industries. However, since they can be started in small places and have simple manufacturing processes, they don't require as much manpower and money as large scale industries. In small scale industries, people work in small factories and use simple machines and produce goods like hosiery garments, utensils, plastic goods, tools and small machines. Large scale industries. These industries help in development of infrastructure and play an important role in the country's economic growth. These industries employ skilled manpower with specialized and technical knowledge. The production process in these industries is complex and it needs skilled workers, advanced machinery and constant energy supply to run the machines and factories. Industries producing chemical fertilizers, iron and steel, ships, aeroplanes and other vehicles are large-scale industries. India is one of the world's major producer of cotton textiles. The major textile mills are located at various centers in India. Let us learn about the different industries located in our country. Cotton textile industries. These mills are located mostly around Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Kanpur, Madurai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Coimbatore, Varanasi and Panipat. Silk textile. Silk textile mills are mostly located at Bengaluru, Mysore, Kanchipuram, Coimbatore, Surat, Murshidabad, Varanasi and Bhagalpur. Woolen textile. Woolen textile mills are mostly located at Amritsar, Ludhiana, Panipat, Kanpur, Mumbai, Mirzapur, Jamnagar and Srinagar. Iron and steel plants. Most of them are located near the coal and iron ore mining regions. The main centers are Jamshedpur, Bhilai, Bokaro, Durgapur, Rourkela, Salem, Vishakhapatnam and Burnpur. Jute mills. Most of the jute mills are located in and around Kolkata. The main centers are Kolkata, Rishra, Titagarh, Howrah, Bajbaj and Naihati. Sugar mills. These are located in the sugarcane producing states of Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab and Tamil Nadu. Railway equipment industries. These industries are located in Chittaranjan, Varanasi, Kapurthala, Jamshedpur, Kolkata and Perambur. Automobile factories. They are located in Gurgaon, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Jabalpur, Jamshedpur and Nasik. Electronic goods industries. They are located in Bengaluru, Mumbai, Chennai, Coimbatore, Pune, Lucknow, Kolkata, Delhi and Panchkula. Shipbuilding. Ships are built at the shipyards of Kochi, Visakhapatnam, Mumbai and Marmagaon. Aeroplane manufacturing. Aeroplanes are made in government-owned factories in Bengaluru, Lucknow, Nasik, Hyderabad and Koraput. India has made notable progress in industries after independence. When India became independent in 1947, very few industries existed in the country, mainly textiles and sugar. Today, India has made huge industrial progress and its iron and steel industry, cement industry, textile industry and oil and petroleum industries are only a few of those contributing to its overall economic growth. Industrial growth and development indicate the overall progress of any country. The Indian industry is going very well to keep pace with the world. Now we have come to the end of the chapter. So let us revise what we have studied in this chapter. Industries are the centers where we manufacture products from raw material after processing them. We have three types of industries. These are the cottage industry, small scale industry and large scale industry. The main industries of India are cotton textile, silk textile, woolen textile, iron and steel plants, jute mills, sugar mills, railway equipment industries, automobile factories, electronic goods industries, shipbuilding industries, aeroplane manufacturing industries. I hope you have understood the chapter. Do the reading of the chapter and complete your written work of exercises, question answers and worksheet. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.